Hi everyone. Today I'm replacing the loudspeaker on an iPhone 11 Pro Max. First, remove the two bottom screws. Then, insert a thin blade into the gap and lift the display. Unscrew the metal plate and disconnect the display cables. Next, remove the screws over the speaker connector. Disconnect the speaker cable and take the old speaker out. Place the new one. Connect the cable and tighten the screws. Now reconnect the display cables and close the screen. Turn the phone on and check the sound. If this video helps you, please subscribe to Noor Telecom.